everyone, so before we start, please do click subscribe button and the bell button. So first thing that we're going to do is log on to the Arduino website. It's arduino.cc. Okay, so right after that, find the link uh, or click the software menu, and then go to downloads. Okay, from here find the Windows installer. Okay, so next proceed to just download. Okay, and then your browser now starts downloading your installer. Okay, right after that, click show folder and then open the Arduino IDE installer. These are the terms and agreement, so click agree and then just leave everything default. Click next, click install, and then close. So let's try to open. Let's go to our desktop and double click the Arduino shortcut, this one. So open Arduino shortcut. Okay, so this is now your interface of your Arduino IDE.